Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Now, if you're getting a support code that basically says you've tried too many times to log in or there's suspicious attempt to log into your account, it will say your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. You can see. So right here, the key thing here is basically you've been trying to log into your Snapchat account. And by doing so over and over, Snapchat thinks maybe somebody is trying to hack into your account and they will freeze your ability to log in for a certain period of time. So there are a couple of steps that you can go through to get that fixed. So let's hop out of here. Of course, the first and easiest thing is just to wait. So wait 10-15 minutes and then try it again. But if you don't necessarily want to wait, you can always just hop into your settings and will tap on General and then iPhone storage. This will load up with all of the apps on your phone, including Snapchat. So we'll go through the list on here. Find Snapchat. We're going to offload this app and then reinstall it. Basically, this reinstall is a fresh new version and should help with that error. Code and memory, knowing that you've installed a fresh new version of it, and hopefully that will allow you to log in again. Another thing that you can do is if there is a place that you regularly connect to Snapchat from, maybe it's your home Wi-Fi or at a certain coffee shop or wherever you may be, try to go to that place. Try to get into that Wi-Fi. Basically, if Snapchat recognizes that it's an IP address that you regularly use, basically log into your Snapchat account from there, more likely to give you the ability to log back in. But ultimately going through all of these steps, if it still doesn't work, you just have to wait a bit and then wait until it's unlocked. It should be maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. It should be unlocked. If you don't remember it, don't just keep trying the, wrong password. Just hit that forgot password. They'll send a code to either your email address or your phone number, and it'll help you to basically recover your account and get you logged back in. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.